Hey, how's it going, guys? Garcia here with your daily portfolio update. So, in this video, I'm going to break down the portfolio, show you the moves that I made today, share some of the posts from Twitter, and give the shoutouts at the very end. Okay, so if you can, just hit the like button. Leave a comment down below if you can, please. So let's get to it. Today, we had a really good day today. We're up to $248,592.97. So we're about $1,400 away from $250,000. So close. So close. So let's see. There were some big moves today. Big moves. In the traditional IRA, we're up 5.8%, and we're up another 0.5 overnight. So basically a 6% day. We're up 167.5% year to date and all time, going back to April 11th of this year. Buying power has dropped to 900. And notice the difference from yesterday. There are no more covered calls on Rocket Lab. There are no more shares of TSLL in this account. I am basically going all in on Rocket Lab in this account and a little bit of Innovix. I believe Rocket Lab will be the next stock that is going to double, triple in this portfolio, just the way Palantir did. My conviction is building more and more. Yes, the share price has gone up. Yes, it is absolutely skyrocketing. If you look at it from this time frame, it looks almost irresponsible to buy. You would think, why the hell would you buy? Right here, it looks like Palantir. Well, I think by looking at market cap, it's nowhere near valued market cap wise as Palantir is. So this is a $9.5 billion market cap. It has a lot to catch up to SpaceX. So I think this will be the number 2 rocket company, space end-to-end space company on the planet. Okay, Roth IRA. We're up 9% today as well. We're up 170% year to date and 169.5% all time, going back to December 22nd of last year. Buying power has dipped to 1,800 because I loaded up on Rocket Lab in this account as well. I've been buying a lot of Rocket Lab, so now this account, it's gone up to 1,600 shares. Upseller, I'll still hold on to that. It's a $400 bet. Iron, it's a $1,000 bet. Innovix, still holding on to those calls. I got till 2026. So yeah, I'm not afraid to average up. I bought Rocket Lab at 10 through 18, 19. I think I bought some shares at 18, 19. So I'm not afraid to average up. Just in the same way I was buying Palantir on the way up, I'm not going to be trimming this winner until I see the fundamentals break down, or I think it's reached a market cap where I think there are other opportunities. And this is not to say that I don't believe in Tesla. I just think Rocket Lab will grow at a faster rate from this point moving forward than Tesla or even Palantir from wherever it is today. We're going to go over that right now. All right, the main account was up 4.8% and another percent overnight. So basically a 6% day all in all. We're up 73% in the past 3 months. Insane. 85 grand in 90 days. We're up 215% year to date. 214.5% in the past year. And we're up 144% all time, going back to August 2nd, 2021. Oh, I think this is the first time that it's closed above 200,000. This might be. So, yay. Buying power has dropped a lot. Why? Because this portfolio has condensed as well. No more Tesla calls. No more random calls on other companies, stocks. I got rid of Grab, got rid of Yen, got rid of a bunch of other things. The only things I'm keeping are the cash secured puts on Riot, Rocket Lab, Palantir, and the calls on Innovix. So this is the equity. So you'll notice that these calls, I did roll them. I rolled them. I paid a hefty debit. It was like 15 grand or so to roll these covered calls closer in time and up in strike. I did pay a good chunk, but I think it's just going to be the best way for me in my situation right now to get out from under or get out over the stock price. I just want to catch up to the stock price, get rid of these covered calls, and just kind of like sit back and just let Palantir do its thing. Like hindsight, should have been doing that from the very beginning, but nobody knows what's going to happen. Okay, I did sell more cash secured puts though. So if the covered calls are going to be hurting, then the cash secured puts will be printing. So I sold the $65 put on Palantir today. Why so aggressive? Palantir is now a $66 stock. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Isn't it? Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, so Rocket Lab, bought more shares in Rocket Lab here as well. So Rocket Lab, I now own 4,200 shares in total. So 41 grand here, 30 grand there, that's 70 plus 80. Yeah, so that's like $80,000 position. So I'm just gonna keep holding on to those shares. All right, let's see what's going on Twitter. It was a busy day on Twitter. Let's see. Mike Tyson hit Paul with the look at this guy. I just sold my shares to buy a crib for my newborn baby. Palantir quote
I'm putting cases. Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay. All right. I'm putting cases on all you bitches. Huh? You think you can do this shit? Jay! You think you can do this to me? You motherfuckers will be playing basketball in Pelican Bay when I get finished with you.
Okay.
Oh, you motherfuckers.
And here is Garcia Capital's LLC. Garcia Capital LLC 13F filing. So, as of September 30th, end of quarter 3, we owned 4 stocks. Assets under management, $0.174 million. Quarter 3 performance, 50.9%. So here's the recent activity. Reduced Palantir shares by 4.8%. Got out of Tesla shares. Increased my position in TSLL. I added Rocket Lab in that previous quarter for the very first time in the portfolio. Increased the Innovix position by a lot. And got out of Enphase, TNA, and BITX. I think ever since I started treating my portfolio as a hedge fund would, I mean, not even treating it, just kind of like labeling as, and just as a joke, right? But I think it does help kind of see it more objectively instead of falling in love with a stock and never, ever, ever trimming. You know, for me, I'm not against trimming, Palantir, selling a little bit, if it means moving into other opportunities. Heisenberg said, SMCI could be the fastest company to join the S&P 500 and subsequently get booted from the S&P 500 in history. And he's out. Oh, and this picture has been going on around where they're grabbing the Intelligent Investor book and throwing it into the garbage and referring to Palantir as, oh, Palantir hit 50. Oh, Palantir hit 60. Well, here it is. Palantir hit $64 a share. Dividend dude. And Quality Invest too. he keeps talking about Palantir here. You should focus on your own portfolio returns. The dude, I believe he's barely beating SPY. Yeah, the dude has made 17% in 3 years. Dude, you could have had your money in a savings account and you could have done better. Okay. And mind you guys, I don't shame people for no reason. Like, I don't just go looking for people to kind of, shame for performance or portfolio size or whatever. But people like him, they're kind of going out of their way to attack a company they don't even own. They're doing it for clicks. They're doing it for engagement. They just want to check from Twitter. Palantir, to all the player haters right now. Imagine not liking me, but I don't even notice because the universe continues to conspire in my favor. Oh, the markets were red? I didn't even notice. I mean, look at how red the market was, guys. Amazon, Nvidia, Meta, CrowdStrike, AMD, Microsoft, Google, Apple, all red. Oh, look who's green. Palantir. My entire portfolio is still up today. Insane. It's great to be in winners. Credit to Ever. Chaos. Dude, this image is just awesome. Palantir, this wasn't a meme. It was a prophecy. Palantir is going to get into the S&P and suck up all the liquidity. And it literally was like that today. Look at that. Palantir, the only green, absorbing everyone's capital.
Oh my God! What? Oh, top of freaking roof! Oh.
There, dude, what is going on?
Oh my God!
Taking big swings this year, guys. I no longer have to zoom in to find Palantir. I mean, I'll zoom in for the video, but I already know where it is. And Palantir even is labeled now. Palantir used to be one of these anonymous squares at the bottom with no name. Now they're big enough to have it. Eventually, they'll be big enough to have the percentage move. Look at our little pilly go. Gobbling up more. It's insane. It's insane to see Palantir here between titans. Look at that. Apple, Oracle, Adobe, Microsoft, Nvidia. Insane.
I'm not gonna beat around no motherfucking bushes.
Okay. If you're listening with kids and stuff around or don't like strong language, please tune out. A letter to one of Palantir's biggest haters.
With your dumb ass. Y'all kill me with these vague fucking statements. What you trying to say? Cause see, I went and looked at your page and you look exactly like what I thought. Not shit. Cause I'm gonna be clear with you, baby. I'm not gonna beat around no motherfucking bushes with your dumb ass. You look like the struggle is motherfucking real. You look like you need a job. You look like you need to clean up around that motherfucker. You look like you need a motherfucking bath. You look like meth is your motherfucking habit. That's what you look like. So if we gonna be motherfucking clear and we gonna make motherfucking statements, bitch, make them. Because I'm gonna make mine. And mine's gonna be very motherfucking clear. So what did I look like to you? Because let me tell you what I am. When you look at me, bitch, you see success. You see a motherfucking boss. That's what you see. You don't see no motherfucking struggle over here. The only thing I struggle with is keeping my shit together instead of putting my motherfucking hands on folks. That's the only thing you see here. So let's be motherfucking clear, boo. Don't come at me sideways with these stupid ass motherfucking comments. If you want to know what a motherfucking boss looks like, bitch, you looking at one. A bitch that handles big business. That's not you, though, I see. You over there skating on some regular ass skates that need some goddamn Ajax on them to clean them motherfuckers back up. That's, girl, if any motherfucker ever needed to sit they stupid ass down, You that bitch. You that bitch. Sit your stupid motherfucking ass down. Don't you never motherfucking come for me. Or trash ass motherfucker and you got something to say about some goddamn body. Bitch, please. What's that?
The rant was incredible. Oh my god, I love her. All right, guys. So, ending on that positive note. I did hit 5,300 followers today. Look at that. 5,300. So, thank you to everyone who's following. And if you haven't done so yet, hit the subscribe button or follow me on Twitter. All right. Well, thank you guys for your time. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys have a great weekend too. And I will see you guys on Monday, hopefully with a $250,000 portfolio. All right. Have a good one.